Ford Model T, 1908 to 1927, the car that changed the world. Welcome to Vintage Matinee Wheels. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary story of the Ford Model T, the car that changed the world. Produced between 1908 and 1927, this vehicle didn't just make history, it wrote it. Let's see how this humble machine transformed transportation forever. The Ford Model T, lovingly nicknamed the Tin Lizzie, was introduced on October 1, 1908. Designed by Henry Ford and his team of engineers, including Child Harold Wills and J.A. Bildekubsgelam, the Model T was built to be affordable, reliable, and easy to maintain. Before the Model T, cars were luxury items reserved for the wealthy. Ford's vision was to put America on wheels, and he succeeded. The Model T featured a 2.9-liter, four-cylinder engine that produced 20 horsepower. It could reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, a respectable feat for its time. Its lightweight design, innovative vanadium steel construction, and simple mechanics made it a marvel of engineer. In 1913, Ford introduced the moving assembly line, a groundbreaking innovation that changed manufacturing forever. This method cut production time for a single Model T from 12 hours to just 90 minutes. By 1925, Ford's factories were churning out a Model T every 24 seconds. This efficiency allowed Ford to lower the car's price from $825 in 1908 to as low as $260 by the mid-1920s, making it accessible to millions of Americans. With over 15 million units sold worldwide, the Model T became the first car to truly go global, symbolizing freedom and mobility for the masses. The Model T wasn't just a car, it was a social revolution. It connected rural communities, opened up job opportunities, and reshaped how goods and services were delivered. Ford even marketed the Model T as a car that could be adapted for various purposes, from ambulances to tractors. The versatility of the Model T inspired innovation, and it became a symbol of American ingenuity. The car's widespread use also spurred infrastructural developments, such as better roads and the rise of the modern highway system. By the late 1920s, the automotive industry had evolved, and competition was fierce. Cars like the Chevrolet Superior offered more features and modern styling. In 1927, after nearly 20 years of production, Ford decided it was time to retire the Model T and introduce its successor, the Model A. Though the Model T's production ended, its legacy lives on. It wasn't just a car, it was a movement, a pioneer that democratized the automobile and set the stage for modern transportation. Even today, the Ford Model T remains an icon, cherished by collectors and remembered as the car that changed the world. Thank you for watching this journey through automotive history on Vintage Matinee Wheels.